today I'm reviewing the COSRX Centella Aqua Soothing Ampoule. And really quick, I just want to say, I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored or videos, so if you help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, so I don't know why I'm finally getting to review this one, because I've been testing this off and on for quite some time. So, anyway, so they say if your skin is sensitive and at the same time you're looking for a moisturizer, this lightweight ampoule will give you your instant pure hydration even for troubled skin. So, and it's wonderful for oily or acne-prone skin as well. I don't know how I don't like necessarily like calling it troubled skin because everyone's got troubles with their skin. So anyway. Okay, my first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. Opaque bottle. Wonderful. Opaque, right? Opaque is when you can't see through. Okay. What does it mean if you can see through? Translucent. Okay, there we go. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no noticeable scent to it. The manufacturer for this one, it's manufactured in Korea, so no issues with that. I'll do a quick pH test. These are my favorite pH test strips, just in case anyone wants to know the pH. Okay. There we go. I'd say the pH of this one is probably right around 6, maybe just a little bit under 6, so no issues with that. Okay, so it's got kind of like a serumy gel texture to it. Serumy gel, liquidy texture to it. So you can use it morning or evening, smooth it over skin, pat into skin. They also mention you can soak cotton pads with it and leave on areas that need special care. COSRX also makes those little jelly things, which you can just snap, like put on your skin, like almost like a targeted face mask almost, which are wonderful. So I typically use this immediately after cleansing and toning and before serum and treatments. It absorbs pretty quickly and sets to a natural non-sticky finish. So really wonderful, works well under, so far everything I've tested it with, really good product all the way around, very easy to use. Antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So we've got Centella Asiatica extract, which is a good soothing antioxidant, hydrating ingredient, great anti-inflammatory agent, as well as a great ingredient for eczema, as well as healing cuts and wounds. We've got Betaine, which is a sugar-derived humectant. Chondrus crispus extract, which is an extract of red seaweed that has film-forming, skin-smoothing, and moisturizing properties. Sugarcane extract, which is another humectant. We've got Allantoin, which is a skin-soothing ingredient. Madecassoside, which is an antioxidant as well as soothing and biological active, coming from Centella Asiatica that has wound healing properties. And then finally, we've got Panthenol, which is skin soothing as well as hydrating. So there we go. Really wonderfully hydrating product. In terms of ampoule testing, this is cruelty-free, so no issues with that. So for performance, I mean, I wasn't like blown away by it. It didn't do anything bad to my skin. I think it just lacked like a little bit of excitement for me. I'm not sure. That doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad product. It just lacked a little bit of excitement for me. I do think it adds some nice hydration. I didn't notice a ton of actual soothing benefits from it, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's not doing it. I just didn't notice it. I think this is probably why I haven't had a chance to review it until now, because I'll test it for like a month, not feel like super exciting, not hate it, and then like don't do anything with it, and then a couple months later I'll come back to it and use it again, and then I have the same result. Like, I didn't hate it, but I didn't love it. But it wasn't terrible. So then what do you think of it? You know what I mean? Like, just, it's not even a bad thing. And a lot of people love this based on the reviews. So definitely add some nice hydration. It's not a must-have product. I don't think it's a repurchase. I'll probably finish it. COSRX, in my opinion, has more exciting Centella products out there than this one. So the nice thing is it is very friendly for acne-prone skin. There's no ingredients of note, so that's always a nice thing. So this is the full size, which is 40 milliliters, 1.35 ounces. So it's larger than most products. They're usually an ounce. So that's nice. Retails for about $23, so it's not super expensive, and a little bit goes a long way. Then in terms of the it factor for this, I think you guys are knowing where I'm going with this. There was no real it factor for me. It's decent. It's affordable. It's cruelty-free. It's acne-prone, skin-friendly, but it's just not a wow product for me. Adds some hydration. The texture of it's nice. It just seems to be lacking the it factor for me, which is, I mean, still not a bad product. A lot of people love it. Nothing wrong with that. I just think COSRX has more exciting, better Centella products out there. I just do. But anyway. Okay, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one an 8. A lot of people love it. So if you guys are one of them and you love it, leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.